My name is Hendro Prasetyo. Name 1924017. Class 19.28.21. Today I will present about computer and hardware. Definition: computer. A computer is an electronic device that can be programmed to process data, perform calculation, and perform various tasks. A computer can receive input, process it according to a program, store data and commands, and produce output in the form of information. Type of computers. 1. Personal computer or PC. A computer designed to be used by one person at a time. Usually used for general purpose such as typing, accessing the internet, playing games, and working. Example of PC is laptop and desktop. 2. Mini computer. A computer larger than a PC but smaller than a mainframe. Used by medium-sized companies to handle fairly complex computing process simultaneously by several users. Example, used for accounting system or production management. 3. Mainframe computer. A large computer with very high data processing capabilities. Used by large companies, banks, and government agencies to process large amount of transactions and handle thousands of users simultaneously. Example, IBM Z series. Supercomputer. A supercomputer is the fastest and most powerful computer used to perform large amount of complex calculation. It is usually used by research institutions, the military, and industries that require sophisticated simulation such as weather forecasting, oil exploration, or scientific research. Examples, Fugaku and Summit. Definition: hardware. In computing, hardware refers to the physical components of a computer system, such as the keyboard, monitor, and internal component like the CPU and memory. It's the tangible equipment that you can see and touch. Hardware is distinct from software, which are the programs and instructions that tell the hardware what to do. Main component of computers. 1. CPU or Central Processing Unit. CPU or processor is the main component that functions as the control center and data processing in a computer. The CPU executes an instruction from software, such as operating system and application, by performing arithmetic, logic, control, and input or output. The CPU consists of several important parts, such as ALU, arithmetic logic unit, CU, control unit, and registers. CPU performance greatly determines the speed and ability of the computer to perform various tasks. 2. RAM or Random Access Memory. RAM is a type of temporary main memory used to store data and process currently being used by the CPU. RAM allows data to be accessed very quickly compared to permanent storage media such as hard disks. Data in RAM is only stored while the computer is on and will be lost when the computer is turned off. The larger the RAM capacity, the more programs or data can be accessed simultaneously, which improves the overall performance of the computer. 3. Motherboard. The motherboard is a large circuit board where all the main components of the computer are installed and connected to each other. including the CPU, RAM, GPU, storage media, and other devices. The motherboard also has a chipset that regulates data traffic between components. In addition, the motherboard provides expansion slot, input or output ports, and connectors for various devices. Its main function is to be the center of connection and communication between all the computer's components. 4. Hard drive or SSD or storage media. Hard disk drive or HDD and solid state drive or SSD are the main storage media in computers that function to store operating system, application, files, and other data permanently. HDDs use spinning magnetic sticks to read and write data, while SSDs use faster and more shock-resistant flash memory chip. SSDs generally provide much faster performance than HDDs in the process of booting the system and opening application. This is my presentation. Search in the video. Thank you and see you later.